back, voice takers. How you guys?
Hey.
What's up, man? You know what? He wants to do the talking for this time. And so I'm actually a little scratchy in the throat. I'm just parched. So I just need to drink some water. So go ahead, take it away.
Our friend from a long time ago, Ken.
Oh, or Kennard, as I call him.
Just keep drinking.
Sorry.
Yes, Kennard made not one, but 2 pecan pies. And they look lovely. So thank you, Kennard. They look amazing and hope they turned out delicious.
Man, it's a lot of water for me. But yeah, Ken, thank you so much, man. Thank you guys so much. Ken, we really appreciate you guys for sending love and support. We do hope that those pecan pies did turn out lovely. So now, my mom gave me this ancient book, right? Libro de Cocina. It's like your first intro to Spanish type book with this Libro de Cocina. I remember seeing this thing. These are my 2 bookmarks that I'm going to be using for today. Otherwise it does look like this. No, there aren't any brujerias in here. Actually, not that I know of. There might be 1 or 2. But my mom gave me this book that I remember seeing as a kid, literally in the kitchen all the time. My mom would be opening and closing this book because it's not just desserts here inspired from. Look at those 1960s, 70s looking dinners and desserts. It's a lot of stuff you can make here, but everything in here is traditionally from Argentina. So, ma gracias, de vuelta, te agradezco por el libro de cocina. And what we're gonna make today are something I grew up eating, probably because of this book, thank you, is bombitas. And bombitas is little bomb in English or in Spanish. Bombitas are like these little cream puffs, and they're cut in half, and in the middle you put in a cream of your choice. You could even do like dulce de leche, which is like a caramel spread. You could do like a chocolate spread, a whipped cream chocolate spread, strawberry jam. You could literally mix it up any way you like. But what I'm gonna do with this are make bombitas, which I don't know why I'm opening this as if you could even, there's nothing to see other than read. Bombitas. Where is it? Oh, right here. It's called Crema Pastelera. It's falling apart. But pastelera is essentially like a vanilla cream based, vanilla cream based. I don't know, my English speakers out there. You guys let me know in the comments how you say this. So anyways, it's a vanilla based cream. I don't know. I can't speak 2 different languages, but somehow I manage. So that's what crema pastelera is, and that's what we're gonna make. So right now, let's get started with the cream, because we're gonna have to like chill it and stuff for a little while. So let's do the cream, and then we'll make the dough. So let's jump to it.
So add your egg yolks. Yes, 1 didn't make it, and that's okay because they're going to get mixed up with the sugar, flour, and mix this up until it goes from a putty-like consistency to almost a pudding-like consistency. Then get your 2 cups of milk and slowly pour, a little bit at a time. And in this part, you're just going to have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring, and believe me, more stirring. It took me about 20 minutes in total real time to get this cream-like custard base. Then remove it from the heat, let it chill for a little bit, and add your vanilla, and yes, yet again, stir some more. And then once it's completely cooled down, add this into a piping bag within a mason jar or any jar. And now you're ready to stuff.
Okay, here's the pastelera, the crema. That was not easy to make, and it's of cream consistency now, but it wasn't while I was making it. Excuse me. So confession, I had called my mom while I was, mixing it all up, and I said, "Hey mom, it's still like looking watery. Is this ever gonna thicken or what's up?" She goes, yeah, you're fine. Just keep doing what you're doing. I lowered the heat. She goes, you could pick up the heat if you want, but keep stirring constantly, and then lower the heat, and then continue to stir some more. So it was just like stir, 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 stir. So my hands like cramped up, my forearms like tense. She said, just keep it going, and you will get that consistency. And yeah, it's almost like a pudding. It smells really good. While I was talking to her, I said I'm gonna slice them in half or sandwich them together, right? Because that's what I mentioned earlier. She goes, no, don't do that. Anytime I've done that, it creates a mess. She says with the piping bag, just shoot them up from the bottom up through the middle of the little bombita. So there's no slicing or dicing or nothing of that sort. So with the piping bag, we're just gonna shove it right through the middle with this guy, and then we're gonna just fill them up that way, and then we're gonna dust them off with some powdered sugar to make them more healthy. So yeah, let's get started with the dough.
So to make this really easy dough, we get our boiling water and our butter stick, let that melt within the boiling water, and add our flour, pinch of salt, and stir it until you get this dough-like consistency. Then on low heat, we're going to add 1 egg at a time while continuously, rigorously stirring. Then a baking sheet will magically appear, spray that down, spoon some of the dough out of the pan onto the baking sheet, and with a little bit of cold water on your fingers, you will mold the dough into a circular shape because the dough will be a little sticky.
Okay, so here are the bombitas. So as you saw, this made the mixture was just enough for 14 pieces. We're gonna throw it in the oven. It's gonna be a total of 35 minutes. But first, we're gonna break it down at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Then we're gonna lower the temperature to 350 for another 20 minutes. So let's start it with 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, so the oven finally went off for the second time. I had mentioned I was going to put them in for 15 minutes at 400 and then again another, 20 minutes at 350. Okay, it's hot, but here they are. So yeah, just as I mentioned earlier, we're going to, I'm not going to pick them up, but from the bottom, we're going to use the cream to stuff them with from the bottom up. So yeah, as soon as they cool down a bit, I'm going to shoot down to this angle and we're going to cream them up, stuff them up, and then dust them with some powdered sugar, and we're gonna get to tasting. Let's do it.
So this is where things get fun and messy. So carefully sticking the tip of the piping bag into the bottom of your bombitas. Just shove as much cream as you think will fit in there until it comes out. And don't overdo it because it will come out of the tops. And make sure you remember which ones you just stuffed because I tend to forget and re-stuff them. But anyways, then you get your powdered sugar and top them off.
Here are a couple on a plate. They look really good, right? After I powdered them up. They are hopefully filled up. And yeah, that's right. A little special guest we haven't seen in a while. Let's bring our guest judges, Mommy and Baby. Look, say hi. No, oh, he's camera shy. Here, Mom, let's trade donuts. Give me this donut. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Do you want a truck?
What do you want?
Yeah, okay.
All right. Here's a little bruiser. So here they are. Bombitas de Crema De Pastelera. You want one too?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want?
Which one do you want?
Este? No.
This one?
That one?
Oh, you were pouring at hers.
Este? Okay.
All right, here you go. Take a bite. Oh my God, he tried one. No more?
He tried it, but he took it right back out of his mouth.
There's a little bite.
We're
You
baby
want a little-
steps.
Oh my God, that was awesome.
One. Can I have one?
Cheers.
Cheers. Want to try it? Look at this.
They're cream filled. Yeah?
These are good.
I just ate his hair. He's got so much hair. Wow. Try again. No? You took a bite, Papa. You did it. You can't take it back. Well, thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. I do. Okay, bye. He's just always here to say bye. Thank you guys again for watching. Ken, thanks again. Hope those pecan pies were really delicious. They looked great. And yeah, we'll see you guys here next time. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.